This tutorial will introduce you to the list of alerts, one of the most common views you will use in Servoyant. We'll begin by closing the left sidebar so we can focus on the alerts list. The alerts list view is available in several places throughout Servoyant, including alerts, My Network, and in device reports. The standard alert list view provides information on hard alerts, statistical warnings, and more. To change the displayed alerts, go to Current View and open the drop-down menu. You can choose from hard alerts, notifications for tests that have met or exceeded the defined test threshold, statistical warnings, which show test replies that are outside of normal operating parameters, event logs, which show key Windows event log messages detected in target machines, trap alerts, which are unsolicited SNMP notifications sent by devices to report the occurrence of a specific event, and there are also VSMS alerts. When you make a selection such as event logs, the screen will immediately update with the new information. Now we'll return back to hard alerts. A key feature of this view is that multiple actions are available by clicking on an icon. This tutorial will introduce you to these icons, and more in-depth instruction will be covered in later tutorials. Each icon has a tooltip hover describing its function. These include Clear. Delete the alert from the active alert view by clicking the blue check mark. ACK. Acknowledge the alert without deleting it by clicking the orange check mark. This stops the escalation process of the associated resolution profile. Resolution profiles will be covered in a separate tutorial. Schedule Job allows you to execute a job against this target device. Tagging of multiple items is supported for clearing and acknowledging alerts and for executing jobs. To do this, click the checkboxes in the appropriate columns, and then click the Apply button, which can be found in the header or footer. You can also apply, clear, acknowledge, or run jobs on all alerts by using these checkboxes here and then clicking Apply. Edit Test. Edit test parameters by clicking on the pencil icon. Last test results. Provides drill-down capabilities until the last test results for the selected test. Knowledge Base stores additional information concerning the alert, such as troubleshooting steps. If the blue book icon is closed, there are no entries yet, and if it is open, there are knowledge base entries to view. Connect to device utilizes the defined connection method for that device to connect and manage it. These methods include VNC, Telnet, SSH, HTTP, HTTPS, and RDP. Remote Support launches a firewall-friendly remote desktop session using Servoyant RC, and there's also Remote Support Log Me In. Statistical charts. Review statistical analysis and trending. These charts use a color-coded background to show the range of results in terms of standard deviations from the average value, where green is 1 standard deviation, yellow is 2 standard deviations, and pink is 3 standard deviations. Create service order ticket. Create a ticket in the configured ticketing system for the selected account. Service order history displays a pop-up link of all linked tickets for the alert. The columns in the alerts list view provide a significant amount of information about active alerts, including date. This is a date time stamp when the alert triggered. Site. A link to change the site in context. Clicking on it changes the active context. Hovering over the account context provides contact information for the account. Device. Provides the device name and IP. If either of these are presented as a link, clicking on it will take you to the device report. Test name. This is a descriptive field that identifies the test. It will specify what is being tested. Hovering over the test will display a tooltip detailing the meaning of the test, default thresholds, and possible solutions. Reply. This is the test value returned by the device. For example, if the test is percentage disk utilization, the reply will be the percentage of use space, such as 59%. If the reply value shows an italicized I, then hovering over it with your mouse will give you the full details of the reply value. Priority. This field indicates the potential urgency of a fault condition in this test. There are defaults, but you can control the priority by editing the test. Priority will result in specific color coding on the dashboards, but has no other impact. Status. Indicates the status of the test, such as bad, unknown, wait for master, etc. This shows the last time the test was run and returned telemetry. There's the last reply, which is the value collected during the last test. Last status, the status of the test as of the last test. And duration, how long the alert has been active. Additionally, there can sometimes appear in this column a trend arrow, which is a small green arrow that shows either an upward or downward trend. This is useful in quickly determining the change in the reply values and whether these values are decreasing or increasing. Full sort and search capabilities are included. Alerts are maintained in the Servoyant platform for 1 year for historical purposes. To sort the alerts list, click on the up-down arrows in your selected column heading. For example, if we want to sort by priority and have it be descending, searching is accomplished by clicking on the magnifying glass. Individual search criteria can be entered. You can save your search criteria, and you can also use a save search. The active alert list can be printed using the print icon. And you have the capability of exporting the list to CVS or XLS format using the export icon. Thanks for watching.